I am back with another JIT tutorial, continuation of this JIT tutorial. So when I actually try to configure it, show JIT clone, it is actually asking for a JIT path. Okay? So that means that you need to download and install JIT as well. Okay. So for that thing, I need to go to jit.scm.com, then download, then go to Windows, then 64-bit JIT for Windows. So that I need to download and install it. Okay. So that I will install. Next, the program files JIT. Then let this that whatever. Okay. Next, 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 whatever. I just put it as default. Not installing any other things. So I have already installed Tortoise. Then I am actually installing JIT. That needs to be the other way around. First, you need to install JIT, and then you need to install Tortoise. Okay, that's what we are supposed to do. But unfortunately, it happened the other way. Now we need to configure it anyway. This works. Okay. So just need to configure. For that thing, what we can do is, so this is the JIT bar terminal. So what we can do is here, just take it. So more options, JIT clone, whatever, and so it automatically came. Okay. So if you want, you can clone it to another location. Let's say maybe I will clone it here, JIT location. Then I am putting it here. Maybe I will put the JIT clone here. Means where is that JIT clone? So it's already having this Eureka sim of the URL. So this one maybe this website that uh, that location. Anyway, it's actually there that it's already shown it in another video. It's in the GitHub. So this is what how easy it is to clone it, because it is having that all these sort of things, all these things which is related to this thing in a context, and you don't need to go to the GitHub desktop to clone all sort of things. So that will be automatically do it for you from the context menu. Okay. So that is one of its advantage. So if you see this thing, you can see the Git clone, and maybe just so there needs to be some icons here. Okay. Unfortunately, the icon is not displayed. That is because of some other reasons. That we might need to tweak something in the registry. That I will find it out, and then I will come here with another set of video, and I will show you how to tweak the registry so that you will be able to get the overlay icons as well. So here there were some overlay icons. Unfortunately, that is not seen here. So we need to make sure that these overlay icons are actually here. That is one of its biggest advantages. So that we need to ensure here, and that I will ensure, and I will come back with another set of videos later with regard to how to show the overlay icons here in this folders and files. Okay, thank you.